of my heart. I sail over 7 seas to find to your heart. I sail through the darkest night. I sail to your heart. I sail over 7 seas to find to your heart. I sail with the wind tonight, alone in the dark. I don't feel the stormy nights and I don't feel the cold. All because I miss you so. In the distance I can see the island of my home. Oh, I like to be with you. In my dreams a little seagulls flying through the timeless night, searching for some teardrops in the wind. With the ship of lonely lovers I sail over 7 seas, try to find the captain of my heart. I sail over 7 seas to find to your heart. I sail through the darkest night. I sail to your heart. I sail over 7 seas to find to your heart. I sail with the wind tonight, alone in the dark. I sail over 7 seas to find to your heart. I sail through the
Tingnan natin yung color ng book. Diba, daming tent, mga kubo-kubo at mga sasakyan close dito sa dagat. So ayan, nakabrapante lang maliligo kasi hindi bawal dito. Pag sa Philippines, nakabrapante, nakapamangka ka din sa yung mga tao. Diba dito, Amerika kasi dito, walang bawal-bawal kung nakabrapante lang sa dagat. Ayan. So ayan, balik tayo doon sa tent natin. Ayan yung mga sasakila. So, dito na tayo sa may kung saan kami nakatambay dito sa sea. Ayan si Habi. Nag-watch ako ng cellphone. Every Saturday, Sunday, marami naliligo. Even if mag-celebrate yung Amerika, alin yan. So, ayan yung sasakyan sa likuran. So, there's si Habi. Ayan. So, ito yung tent natin dito. So, ito yung mga snack natin. Dalag-dala ko mga snack. Ito yung si Matsuman husband. Ayan. Busy sa kanyang cellphone. So, punta tayo ka Santino. Yes?
Come here.
What do you want?
I want chichirya.
You want chichirya? Go rin.
Come on.
Go there.
Come on.
It's so hot here to eat, okay? Ano na? Masira! Uy! Masira yung ano ko! What's wrong with you? So, ayan. Ito yung mga seagulls dito, guys. So, ayan. Ayan. So, patong tayo dito sa ano, sa may stone, big rock. Itong big rock na to, mahaba talaga to, guys, hanggang doon. Doon hanggang mga ayan. So, ayan. Kita naman natin na maraming yung tao na naliligo. So, akyat tayo. So, dyan naman sa kabila, part dyan, is mga tambayan ng mga Navy ship or helicopter like that. Yung mga nagdi-deliver ng mga gun, bullets, yung part na yan. Yan. Diyan. Pwede rin kayo maliligo dyan. So, yung mga ship dyan, yung mga Navy ship dyan. So, ayan dito. Yan kami naligo last. Yung habang stone dito pupunta doon sa sea. So, now, babalik na tayo sa may tent natin. So, ito yung sasag dito lang dito lang kami banda kasi minsan low tide today, guys. Pag high tide, yung tubig palapit sa ating tent. So, what hubby eating? So, we have nuggets here.
Where's the chocolate?
So, ayan, ito yung mga snack natin dala. Ayan, magdala ako ng mga snack fruits, grapes, green. Then we have the cheese. Ayan, cheddar, mild cheddar. Banana, apple, grapes, green. And we have also different type of chichirya. Ding dong. And our soft drinks, iced tea and water, and guess what I take today. Santino's favorite, the strawberry pudding. This one, and iced tea, water, and this is peanut, and this is nuggets. So, ayan yung nuggets natin. And Filipino peanut. Santino, your favorite, I think. Look.
Yeah.
O, diba?
You got a spoon?
Yep.
So, just eat it.
We have 2 pieces of spoon. I bring that.
Where?
Your spoon.
Where's Sarah?
Here.
Where's the Sarah?
Oh my God, easy.
Where's the Sarah?
Ang strawberry natin pa, pudding. Ayan. Ayan. Do you have grapes, Santino? The green grapes. Look at the seagulls, guys. Ayan. Only seagulls lang animals here. Flying seagulls. Seagulls bird. But I'm not allowed to bring animals here. Alright, bye guys. That's it. Thank you for watching. Baboos! Why it's so hot? I'm going back to our kubo. Just stay there. I'm going back. Sobrang init today. Naghanap sila ng crabs. Grabe, sobrang init talaga, grabe. Ano mo nga sa Pilipinas ngayon, umuulan lagi siguro. Dito, init sobra. Swerte yung nakatira malapit sa dagat. Yan o, nag-repair yung mga seagulls. Seagulls.
Where is your crows? So big, wow, so fast to hide. They're hiding. may namingwit din sila, o nang fishing sila. Namingwit.
Yes. Yes. Alright. What are you doing? Huh? Oh. Tunggu ka ng crabs? Where's your crabs? Look, Daddy's color tan na now. Your color tan na love. Amazing. So fast, ah. Ah! The water is coming. Oh. Nag-enjoy ka, Santino?